started our journey on 1st June 2011 with a fair number of 85 students in the pre-primary. It took not much time for the teachers and students to familiarize with the new environment and system. The cries and laughter have enlivened the school and its campus. Parents and other well-wishers began to shout praises, and so the schooling in Alok became increasingly noteworthy.
रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम,
Well begin is half done. Every good beginning needs the blessings of the Omnipotent. We begin our days with a prayer to God. Our young ones show lots of interest in singing and repeating prayer along with their teachers. Singing together, celebrating birthdays of their friends and teachers, and sometimes the principal addressing the students have all become the part of morning assembly. We often hear our competitors asking, "What's so special about the system of studies in Alok?" When words fail to answer back, the deeds of our children serve them the right reply. Here, children learn happily, where the teacher turns to be merely a facilitator, imparting knowledge through a playway method. Our goal is to sharpen the minds of young ones through an active learning process. Here, the child becomes fearless, as he doesn't have a ruling teacher to dictate, but a helping hand to hold and guide. The teacher becomes his true friend, and learning becomes more interesting. Work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Nothing can liberate a child from the bondage of boredom than sharing time with his fellow mates. We take our little ones to the play area where they play on slides, seesaw, swings, jungle gym, etc. Physical exercise is an integral part of a child's growth. While on exercise, he learns to bring order in his thought and action, resulting in an overall development. The child gathers an air of positivity. healthy mind dwells in a healthy body. Sports teach a child how to achieve his goal through hard work. It enables the child to shake himself from his slumbering energies and give an answer to the world problems. It also teaches him to compensate for the losses of others, thus promoting team spirit and unity. Our students had a formal sports day and participated in different sports events and have proved they are no less than their elder brothers and sisters. Better if they construct what they learn. The seeds of science, art and technology grow in every child unnoticed and sometimes uncared for. As teachers, we identify the true caliber of our students and try to sharpen their supreme skills. When parents wonder what the child would turn to be in future, we have a reply to their anticipation because we give here opportunities to our children to nurture their hidden skills. This was possible only through our child-friendly activities. teachers in the pre-primary are given curriculum guidance through experts